All right, by popular demand, we are back in the hotel. No, but this is funny. Picking up some Del Taco because we don't have Del Tacos in Miami. We only have Taco Bell. And then this gentleman in the drive-thru recognized you. Take a look at this. Oh, we're here at Del Taco.
Oh, yeah.
I'm huge fans. I'm huge fans of you guys.
Are you okay to be on YouTube?
Yes, I'm okay to be
All right,
on
we're at
YouTube.
Del Taco in Torrance, and he recognized you right away, Hiro.
Yeah, I recognize you right away. I notice every time, man.
Thank you so much. What's your name?
Nicholas.
Nicholas.
Biscayne.
All right. Pleasure. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah. Even in the drive-thru, Hiro, people recognize you.
Oh, wow.
Is that pretty incredible or what?
It's very incredible.
Hey, on the side.
Just something mild, that's all. So is this better than Taco Bell?
Yeah.
You better say that.
I got you. I want to get caught up.
I know.
Hey, you guys made my day.
All right, Nicholas. Thanks a lot, buddy.
Hey, thanks, guys.
Look for yourself on a video coming up, buddy.
Hey, have a good one.
Take care. Bye. That was pretty cool. So a quick shout out to Nicholas. Hey, it was great meeting you through the drive-thru right by our Hampton Inn where we're staying at now. Thanks so much for watching the channel, Nicholas. We really appreciate that. And this one's for you. We picked up some Del Taco. Yes. You were really kind enough through the drive-thru, and now we're gonna make some fish tacos, sort of. But take a look at this from the wonderful event tonight. Take a look at this beautiful bluefin toro. We're gonna kind of make a fish taco kind of sort of thing, Hiro. And we're like, okay, we don't have anything with us. I know you didn't bring a cutting board, but look at this. We have a cutting board. It looks like a surfboard, but from the Tuna Chef. This is pretty cool, right? I know you have your knife from earlier today.
Yeah.
So Hiro-san, look at this. And the giveaways from the fishing trip that everybody saw that we were on. Hiro's got his tools here. All right, cool. And again, what a great event that Chef Andy put on over there, the Sushi Chef Institute. Met some wonderful people. This is the thing about Hiro. Look how he sets up his little station. He's got his little damp cloth. He's got his little, looks like some kind of, maybe it's bamboo or something, cutting board. We had this, again, this beautiful piece of toro here. Let me tell you, when you travel with a master sushi chef, you never know what to expect. Right, Hiro? I mean, poor Hiro, he was really involved with the show tonight, and he's starving. And I'm like, Hiro. And then I'm here at the hotel. I'm like, Hiro, come on, you got to do something for your fans. And then seeing Nicholas in the drive-thru, he's like, just kind of just brought everything together. We got to make something special with this toro. I mean, I was just going to eat it, but without any soy sauce. Hiro reminded me that he has everything on here, so he has everything here to make amazing sushi with. All right, so here we go. I don't know what he's doing. Usually in the studio, I have an idea what he's doing. Now here at the hotel, don't know what he's doing.
I'm making the soy sauce cup.
Oh, soy sauce cup, okay. I thought you were gonna do like a tuna tataki with the iron, Hiro. No tuna tataki with iron?
It's a little bit too, maybe a little bit too much, no?
Never too much. We don't have some foil, that's the only thing.
Yeah.
I don't want to put the toro just on top of the fish. It's not gonna be good. All right, take a look at this. High quality soy sauce.
So now you can eat the sashimi first?
My appetizer?
Yeah.
You too, Hiro, come on.
Tasting
No, you tasting, go. Enjoy. How's it? Good? Yeah, what's not good about this? It was a great event tonight. So many great food available. Oh my. Let me tell you, that tuna just melts in your mouth. That is amazing. Oh my goodness. This is so good, Hiro.
Yeah.
This is true toro, right?
Yeah, but
So good. So what a midnight snack at a Hampton Inn. This is just unexpected, you know? I'm like, Mr. Ito, president of Primetime Seafood, gave me this piece to take back with us. I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to eat it because didn't really have anything, but Hiro whips out everything and this is what we're doing. Amazing. So good. I can't wait to try your next thing. This is the appetizer. What about for main course, Hiro?
Very good. Okay. Yeah, potato chips too.
Looks like a little burrito. I don't know if that's a taco or not. Is that your chicken taco?
This is chicken, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's chicken. All right, we're gonna supercharge it. Supercharge or turbocharge? Let me tell you what, this is the best fish taco you guys have ever seen in your life. If you were here, it'd be the best fish taco you've ever eaten in your life. Take a look at this.
No. You know, first I want to eat this one as an appetizer.
Okay. That has appetizer. Eat the chicken pieces, right?
No.
Okay. That works.
You can do twice.
You can eat twice? Appetizer and main course.
It's an appetizer.
Yeah.
No? You know? Wait a second.
Oh man. These adventures never cease to amaze me.
Yeah, right.
There's always something unexpected around the corner.
But they have a vegetable here, right?
Oh yeah, take a look. Are you guys seeing this? Chu toro in place of chicken and a del taco, soft taco.
The chicken, I ate those appetizer, right?
A chicken appetizer, yeah. Now this is your main course. Oh man, you got the little good soy sauce on there. Look at that.
Then, look at that.
Nice. How's that, Hiro? You guys have never had a fish taco like this in your life. Normally it's just fried. Not like this. Absolutely not.
Like if I have a spicy sauce,
Oh yeah, right. Some
they
hot
don't come
sauce.
with any sauce today.
I asked them for some mild sauce. Oh, nice.
This is ketchup, no? This is regular ketchup.
I don't think it's ketchup. Let's take a look. Yeah, it is ketchup.
This is ketchup.
Yeah. I asked for a mild sauce.
Oh yeah.
Oh yes,
Oh
you
yeah.
got it.
Oh yeah. Okay. Now I can make a spicy tuna.
So, spicy tuna taco.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, look at this.
Yeah. Like that.
Man,
Spicy tuna.
who says you can't eat at 11 and 12 o'clock at night?
Okay.
How's it, Hiro?
Yeah, spicy tuna.
The hot sauce is good from Del Taco? Nice. Oh, that is awesome.
Spicy tuna taco.
Nice. This is the best fish taco you guys have ever seen made. So good, right? Little-
Coca-Cola.
Yeah. we're keeping it healthy. Well, that was wonderful. Well, thank you so much, Hiro.
Thank you.
Getting in the video because we have some more to eat and I'm not gonna keep everybody. Again, thank you to Nicholas. Shout out to him at Del Taco here in Torrance, Carson. Thanks for watching the channel. This video is for you, my friend. And
Thank you very much.
yes, nice meeting you. And stay tuned for the next adventure. Only in a Hampton Inn near you. Hiro, by the way, we should get sponsored by Hampton Inn, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Every time that we're traveling, we stay in the hotel.
Right.
Sometimes.
At the Hilton property. All right. See you guys soon. Bye.